Welcome, today I am with XIAOMI 11T and I will show you how you can customize always on display. At first you have to open the settings, find always on display in the lock screen, select always on display, and at first you can change display items, so you can you can get this always on display as a schedule, as always, or for 10 seconds after tapping. In my case I'm going to set as always. Right here we can change the theme of the always in display. You can pick your own signature, analog or digital clock, or you can select this kind of the background. You can also pick your own photo by tapping on the custom image, click to select from the gallery, and we can get, for example, this one. We can also resize. In this place you can change color of these captions. Here we can change clock position. We can change the pattern notifications and click apply. Take a look right now. As you can see, that's how it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.